Perfect for first-time buyers or folks looking to downsize into a comfortable floor plan. Move-in ready as well as awaiting your cosmetic updates. This charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath home nestled in a highly sought-after, family-friendly neighborhood. Step inside to a cozy wood-burning fireplace, perfect for relaxing evenings. The family room features a slider that adds the space with natural light and provides seamless access to the outdoors. The double-car garage is accessible as well from the family room. A garden window in the kitchen adds a touch of charm and is ideal for your favorite plants or herbs. The backyard is a true retreat, boasting a large deck with a gazebo, a fully fenced yard for privacy, and a dedicated garden spot for your green thumb. Whether you're hosting summer barbecues or enjoying quiet mornings with coffee, the gazebo in the back